हम अमेरिका के हुक्म के ऊपर ये जो अमल करने जा रहे हैं, पाकिस्तान हमेशा के लिए फंस जाएगा कबायली इलाके में, जो उसके बाद हमारे मुसीबत पड़ेगी।
आप जब अपने शहरियों के ऊपर अपनी फौज इस्तेमाल करते हैं और बम मारते हैं, ये एक बहुत बड़ा आप जुल्म करते हैं अपने लोगों पे। मैं तो समझता हूं कि मैंने कभी इतनी अहमकाना हरकत देखी नहीं जो इस हुकूमत ने की है, अपनी फौज वहां भेज दी है।
Now my question to these people is, if there is no military solution in Iraq, how do they think there is a military solution in Afghanistan and on the tribal areas?
Before 2004, when General Musharraf sent Pakistan army into the tribal areas, there was no suicide attacks in Pakistan. We did not have any militant Taliban in Pakistan. If Pakistan had stayed neutral, we would not be going through this crisis. Musharraf, under pressure from the Americans, sent the Pakistan army in the tribal areas, and what we then saw was militancy growing every year. The more military operations, the more militancy. मैंने असेंबली में खड़े होकर कहा, मुझे याद है 2004 में मैंने शोर मचाया कि ये ना अपनी फौजें भेजो वजीरिस्तान. I can guarantee you that for 10 years this can go on. And in the US, it might be a loss of money. In Pakistan, we are going under. This country is sinking under this. Pakistan should own up the war, do not behave as a sort of fighting America's war because America is giving Pakistan the money. So therefore, Afghanistan has never been colonized. Similarly, Pakistan's tribal area have always resisted intrusion from outside. And of course, in the between, when each time I tried to tell them that to have a political settlement, I ended up being branded as Taliban Khan.
As Donald Trump has asked the country for help in peace talks with Taliban militants in a bid to end the ongoing 17-year war in neighbouring Afghanistan.
You should know that the peace process is the same. The United States will support, facilitate, and participate in these peace discussions.
The longer Americans stay, the more terrorism you'll have. The longer Americans stay, the more terrorism you'll have. I think 69% of the people were polled in a Pew poll recently and said we should get out of Afghanistan, whether it's sooner or later or immediately.
पाकिस्तान की मौसर खारजा पॉलिसी और वजीर आजम का दो टोक मौक़िफ़ काम कर गया। अमरीकी सदर के रवैये में बड़ी तब्दीली आ गई है। मुसलसल तनकीद के निश्तर बरसाने वाले डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पाकिस्तान की तारीफों पर उतर आए। वजीर आजम इमरान खान को खत लिखा और खत लिखकर तालिबान से मुज़ाकरात में ताउन भी मांग लिया।